Hope you are doing fine. All right, this morning I want to check an important tool in Excel, and that is VBA, which is Visual Basic Application. And what VBA do basically is just to automate some repetitive tasks. And you can use it for various stuff like you can use it to automate doing GOSI for multiple cells. You can use it to automate printing of PDF on Excel file. You can also use it to auto fit your columns and rows. So, but this morning I'll be looking at how you can use VBA to automate printing of PDF file. This is a payroll template, or let's say payroll schedule for a particular firm, and you can see the employee's name, the employee's ID, the designation, all this calculation, basic housing, transport. Actually, all these things have been factored in. The Nigerian tax law has been factored in this computation and is very correct based on the company policy and the Nigerian tax law. Now, from this particular workings or this particular schedule, we're able to prepare a payslip. This payslip not like a summary of which we are going to send it to the individual employee at the end of the month after um, as a evidence of how much we are paying them or we pay them for that particular month. You can see the payslip. It has the gross income breakdown, the statutory deduction, the tax payable, and the monthly net. So those are things that is computed here. So one thing about this thing is that you need to be sending it to each employee. You need to send it to each employee every month. But if you want to send it to each employee every month, it's going to take time. It depends on the number. Let's assume that we have like 200 employees. You can see, like in this one, I think we have like 20. So if you have like 200 employees, that means you need to be printing the PDF for each of them and sending it to each of them, which is actually going to save time, which is going to take too much time. So in order to avoid wastage of time you doing this repetitive tasks, we can actually use VBA to help us. And what does VBA does is that we have this payslip already. Now we want to be printing it as PDF. Ideally, you want to print it. The normal way is that you go to this file. When you go to file, you see it saved. You save as PDF. When you save as PDF, so you save as PDF. When you save as PDF, that's how to actually print normally. But that's going to take much time. So saving it as PDF, it will take more time. That's why we are using VBA. So here you come to this employee ID, you pick the employee's ID, you can see so once you click on this employee ID, it's going to pick everything that has to do with that employee. Every details about that employee, it will pick it. You can see Agbola Bukumi, personal income tax, how much is it collecting, 680. Let's check the workings here. You can see Agbola Bukumi is designated CFO. Let's see how much he's collecting. So he's collecting 688,000. You can see it here. 688,000. How much is it paying as tax? 137,000. So let's check the payslip. Tax 137,000. Monthly net 688. So if you check another employees too. So going forward, once you click on this PDF, automatically it's going to print. So let's check our file manager. You can see it here. The document. You can see it is titled as the employee ID is 11100 and the name Agbola Bukumi. Let's click on it. Can we see it now? Agbola Bukumi, personal income tax, distribution, all those things. You can see monthly net 688. That's based on the computation. So you can do for the other employees too. How do you do for the other employees? Just come here. Let me just quickly do like 110 That's Oshinogi Ola income PDF is already printed. Number two, Chekachi PDF is already printed. You don't need to check. Is automated. Just click on PDF, it's automated. Pick another one. So you can see if you have 100, just be doing that. You don't need to waste time. So that's the main advantage of this thing, of this VBA. It's going to save you time. 06, 07. What's 07? 07 is John Alabi. Let's check. John Alabi is 203,725. His tax is 25,000. Let's check here in the workings. John Alabi, what's 07? John Alabi 1107 procurement officer. Let's check how much he's paying as tax. He's paying 25,712. Monthly tax is 203. Let's check here. Can you see monthly tax 203? So one thing is that before you can be able to use this VBA of 18, you have to activate this developer option. If it's not there, go to your find go to option. When you go to option, you can actually tick the developer option in order to work with it. So this PDF now, in the, there's one VBA store that have been done there, so that's why we are able to click on it and it's automatically downloading those PDF files. So let's check all those things I've clicked on it. Can you see everything I've clicked on it? Clicked on. It's showing here 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, and so on. So let me check this one. You can see all seven John Alabi. So every employee, check this one now. Sonia Moses 11005. You can see Sonia Moses 11005. So every employee. So one thing is this is you can see that it saves time. It's so unique that it's not going to mess up anything. It's so unique. So every employee can actually have their payslip. It saves you time, so you can have time to do other things. That's the essence of sharing this with us. So you can well, if you need some training on it, you can reach out to me, but it's going to be at a cost. That's very and it's going to be affordable. That's quite all right. So I wish everyone a productive day ahead. We will see some other time where we'll be still sharing some productive tools we can use in our different workspace. Thanks so much for being with me this morning. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.